If you are into AI and vibe coding, I got some great news for you. MagicPath just released a Chrome extension that allows you to copy web elements. This means that you go to a website, you like a certain section, maybe a certain element. All you have to do is use the Chrome extension, then go inside MagicPath and ask MagicPath to create the exact same stuff. So this is gonna save you a lot of time and it's gonna help you be more precise in what you want. So today I'm gonna show you how to use this Chrome extension. Now let's get started. I will put a link for the extension in the description below where you can use it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my website and I would like actually to copy this section right here. So I'm gonna click on the extensions icon and then I will select this web capture by MagicPath. And now I'm gonna click on select element, and as you can see, when I hover on different elements, it highlights the element that I'm gonna select, that I'm gonna copy. So let's say I'm gonna hover right here. This means I'm gonna copy the entire page. However, I don't want this. I only want to copy this bento grid section right here. So I'm gonna make sure that I hover here in the center, and now as you can see I selected the entire section. So I'm gonna click and now I'm gonna click on copy component. I will go to MagicPath and I will press Ctrl V to paste inside and say create this. And as you can see guys, it copied the entire section pixel by pixel. So that is incredible. I love it. Now next I'm gonna say create a portfolio website based on this section. Well, that is actually very cool. So let me make it maybe a bit wider and let's scroll down. So we have an about me section right here with a real picture of a real person. Now then we go down and we find this section, which again looks very good. And I'm not saying because I created this illustrations and stuff. I'm just surprised and excited at how good this extension is. So let's scroll further and here you can find the projects. Very clean stuff, you know, and we even have a form here. So this looks cool. So let's maybe change a few things. I'm gonna click on edit and here you can find a lot of edit options. I'm not a huge fan of gradient text, so I'm gonna press delete on this one and I'm gonna type here crafting digital experiences. Then let's make this smaller. I believe it's a bit too big, so I'm gonna make it 64 and then I'm gonna add it a fixed width of 320 is too much, I believe. 450 maybe, 500, yeah, that is better. Okay, so we have here a small problem, but we can fix it, I guess, if I select everything and then switch the direction to vertical and then I center it. Okay, looks good. Now let's see what else can we change. Maybe this image right here, I don't like it because, you know, it's my portfolio, so I need a picture of myself, I guess. Or actually let's use this picture of Mona Lisa, why not? And here, by the way, you can also change if you want the image to top, which is gonna look much better than it was before in the center. So this looks also very good. Now what else should we change? I think there is too much text, and of course I'm not gonna type my own text right now, but let's actually remove this one as well. This one looks better. Nice. And then maybe let's change the color of this to actually gray like this. And then let's change this also to gray. because I don't like this blue color. Okay, maybe it is too dark. Okay, so that is the color of the text. I want actually the color of the button. So I'm gonna make it. Let's make the text maybe a bit brighter because now it's too dark. Something like this. Select this one right here and change the background to again. Actually, I'm gonna remove the background by typing 0, and then let's go to border and let's use a gray like this. So this looks nice. Let's see, maybe I should make those gray as well. I don't know. Let's see if I can select this one. Yes, brighter. And then actually let's make it bigger. Why not? Just to see how it will look like. Or we can simply delete it and then we have a much cleaner hero section. So now let's change this to a gray as well. I think that is gonna be perfect. Nice. And this one right here, I'm gonna make it also gray. This one. So I don't have a color system, but you know, I don't need it. So I'm gonna change this as well. Yeah, the only part I don't like that much is that it's very colorful. I'm not a huge fan of colorful stuff. This button, let's make it a solid color by switching from gradient to solid. And then let's make it maybe like this, and then let's change the text color to something brighter. And it is gonna have the same color as this one. Yes, this looks good, very good. And then those icons should be maybe something like this. Let's select the same color. Okay, so, and this one as well, I guess. And now this icon is gonna be white. Nice. And let's select the footer now and make it also a darker gray. And make everything about the same color as much as I can. Again, I don't want to spend my time to actually select the exact same color. I'm gonna select similar colors that are close to each other. And then this one as well, and this one as well. So I deleted the navbar because it is a landing page and I don't need it, and also this icon right here, I don't want it. And now let's make this less tall, like 800. So I put this to fit content, so that it's not that tall. And let's see, maybe we change the color to, instead of this blue, I'm gonna select some gray. And then let's go this one gray as well. And next, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select these images and I'm gonna remove the overlays. And then let's remove the overlay here as well. So basically I'm gonna remove the overlays everywhere. I don't need this. And so apparently it uploaded the same image everywhere, but I'm gonna keep it like this. Let's just change the color of this button because it's too blue for me. It's blue as well. And I think here can also be changed a bit. And yeah, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on save. Okay, so now I'm gonna preview it by clicking on this preview icon. And yeah, this looks clean, very cool. And then we have this beautiful section right here of Mona Lisa. And then we got the section that we copied using the Magipath extension, which again you can find in the description below. So let's actually put this next to each other and see what's the difference. So as you can see, actually there is no difference. It's the same section, right? So yeah, let's scroll down now and see the other section. So here is the project section, which of course we have the same image everywhere, but it doesn't matter as much. And then we also have a form right here, which is very cool as well. And the last one is the footer, which is very simple. So overall I really like it. Now what I like the most is obviously this section right here that I was able to copy in just a few clicks. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you next time.